to get up the stairs, you're rewarded with a nice little uphill walk. Well, if you stay in the same hotel I am, Cerro Mar, to the top of this hill. The entrance through these doors of the restaurant, breakfast. This is the way to accommodation. Down this path. I want to show you the pool first. Sounds good to see the guy there was disinfecting all the sunbeds. I didn't know they do that. So here's the swimming pool. It's a saltwater pool. Absolutely freezing. But you get used to it once you go numb. It's lovely. So here's the Cerro Mar. Right, let's go up to the rooms. So it's not the best view out the back of the hotel, but what there is a really cool windmill. Get me those out. Just pretty cool. Okay, let's make our way back to the room. Okay, so look around. So this is 2-bedroom apartment. Walk in. It's got a kitchen, it's a bit of a mess. Bit of kitchen, freezer, fridge, washing machine, dishwasher, pots, pans, cups, and all that sort of stuff. Electric hob, oven, toaster. So it's got everything you need if you wanted to cook. You probably won't want to cook yourself when you go on holiday. Walk out. TV picks up a couple of English channels. We'll come back to that one in a minute. Walk around, so you get one twin room. Women's bring an extension lead, makes life easier. Wardrobes. You get a bathroom. With a bath, you don't get a plug. We had to go to the reception area and ask them for a plug. Apparently none of the rooms have plugs. Why don't any of the rooms have plugs? Because people leave the baths on, so overflows, they take all the plugs away. Next room, another bedroom. A couple of big wardrobes over here. Bathroom. Shower, bidet and toilet. And that's about it really. That one thing I was going to show you. Wander around, back through. So it's quite large rooms. They've got everything you need. They've got air conditioning, all the rooms. It's got aircon units at all the rooms. But what you do have, it's quite small, but a nice balcony. So there you go. That's a very quick tour of a 2-bedroom apartment. So it's got phones, it's got everything you need really. That's about it. Wander back out. Just shut the door. across the road is another hotel. It's all part of the same chain, so you can use the this hotel over here if you wanted to as well. So that one there is the Atlantic. We're in the garden. Okay, one very quick whistle-stop tour of a hotel room.